From the moment we were born, we were taught what to believe. From grade school onward, we were told what to believe, who to follow, and what to do. We were told what television shows to watch, what religion to follow, what ideologies we should actually contain. The moment we entered this world, we were told that we had to follow in a line and follow suit and be the same exact idea as everybody else. But at some point in your life, you start to wake up and you start to realize. You step out of that picture frame entirely and you realize that you are more. You realize that your identity is malleable. It is moldable. It can easily take form. Your identity is more like a chameleon. It's changing. It can be adjusted every day, bit by bit, piece by piece, workout by workout, book by book. And here's the deal. We get totally molded in our lives. We get molded by the bad times as well as the good times. The bad times mold you just as well as the good times. The good times can't stay, but the bad times also can't stay. Your identity is always changing. It's always growing, and it's always updating like a piece of software. And everyone is different than you. They will always be different than you because of one simple fact. No two nervous systems are exactly the same. Everyone's nervous system is absolutely different. That being said, everyone will have the ability to do something a little bit different than the next person based on their own unique nervous system. No two identities are the same. Even twins are indeed different. Everyone has different templates of reality, different schemas, different mental recipes. But at the end of the day, at the very end of the day, you have to honor your uniqueness. You have to stand in your own strength. You can still have a group of people that you love and take care of. You could still be part of the team and part of the community. But it all boils down to your own self-leadership, leading yourself. It is going to be the hardest thing that you ever do, but it's going to be the most valuable thing that you ever do. It is about learning to understand that you are breaking away from that factory mold, that factory upbringing that you were put in during your childhood. And when you finally step into your own individuality, your own identity, your own sovereignty, you give others permission to do the same exact thing. You give others permission to do the same, and that's transforming the world from a sea, an ocean of copies, into a masterpiece of individuals. And if this message resonated with your journey, please like and subscribe and share, but you don't necessarily have to follow. Just keep this in mind. Your journey is not their journey, and their journey will never be your journey. Have a great day. See you in the next episode.